The waitlist tab helps you manage customers waiting for service. Tap the waitlist tab at the top to view the customer queue. The waitlist shows all customers with their status and wait time. You can filter customers by status. The All tab shows everyone. Tap Pending to see customers who haven't been served yet. Tap In Service to see customers currently being served. The Completed tab shows customers who have finished their service. And Cancelled shows any cancelled appointments. The waitlist updates automatically as customers check in and are served.